What if you could track your sleep, heart rate, stress levels, workouts, recovery, and overall health without wearing a bulky smartwatch? That's exactly what smart rings are designed for. In today's video, we're comparing 5 of the most popular smart fitness rings available right now: the Ultrahuman Ring Air, Oura Ring 4, Samsung Galaxy Ring, Heart X2 Smart Ring, and the Gabit Smart Ring. We'll compare features, battery life, health tracking accuracy, app experience, subscription costs, and value for money to help you choose the perfect smart ring. Make sure to watch until the end because one of these rings clearly stands out as the best overall choice. Let's get started. Starting with the Gabit Smart Ring. This smart ring is designed for users who want an affordable entry into the world of health tracking. It offers sleep monitoring, heart rate tracking, HRV monitoring, SpO2 measurement, stress tracking, and over 15 workout modes. The companion app provides easy-to-understand health data, making it suitable for beginners. Battery life is respectable, and the ring is lightweight enough for all-day wear. However, compared to premium competitors, the data insights are less advanced and recovery analytics aren't as detailed. If you're new to smart rings and want basic health monitoring, Gabit is a solid choice. Next is the Heart X2 Smart Ring. One of its strongest features is the impressive battery life of more than 8 days. Product links are displayed in description area, you may use it to buy. The ring tracks sleep quality, heart rate, calories burned, workout performance, recovery, and stress levels. Its titanium construction gives it a premium feel despite its affordable pricing. For users seeking long battery life and essential health tracking without spending premium prices, Heart X2 offers excellent value. Heart X2 can also track the menstrual cycles and pregnancy, making it one of the most valuable features for women. The main limitation is that its app ecosystem and analytics are not as sophisticated as Samsung, Oura, or Ultrahuman. Coming in at number 3 is the Ultrahuman Ring Air. This ring has become incredibly popular among fitness enthusiasts because there are no subscription fees. Unlike some competitors, you get access to all your health insights without paying monthly charges. The Ultrahuman Ring Air tracks sleep quality, recovery scores, movement patterns, heart rate, body signals, and overall metabolic health. The app provides detailed recommendations to improve your daily habits and recovery. Another major advantage is its lightweight titanium design, making it one of the most comfortable smart rings available. If avoiding subscriptions is important to you, Ultrahuman Ring Air is a fantastic option. At number 2, we have the Oura Ring 4. Oura is often considered the gold standard for sleep tracking. Its advanced sensors deliver highly accurate sleep data, readiness scores, recovery insights, and heart rate monitoring. Many athletes, biohackers, and health-conscious users rely on Oura because of its detailed health analytics. Battery life can reach up to 8 days, and the titanium construction feels extremely premium. The Oura app delivers some of the most advanced health insights available in any wearable device. Its only drawback is that certain advanced features may require an ongoing subscription depending on region and service plans. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Samsung combines excellent hardware with powerful Galaxy AI features to deliver one of the smartest health tracking experiences currently available. The Galaxy Ring tracks sleep, heart rate, stress levels, activity, workouts, recovery, and overall wellness. For Samsung smartphone users, the integration is seamless. You can view detailed health metrics directly through Samsung Health, and Galaxy AI helps generate personalized wellness recommendations. The titanium build quality is outstanding, battery life reaches up to 7 days, and there are no mandatory subscription fees. If you are already using Samsung devices, this ring becomes even more powerful thanks to its ecosystem integration. For most users looking for the best combination of features, comfort, accuracy, and value, Samsung Galaxy Ring takes the top spot. So, which smart ring should you buy? Choose the Samsung Galaxy Ring if you want the best overall experience. Choose the Oura Ring 4 if sleep tracking is your highest priority. Choose the Ultrahuman Ring Air if you want premium insights without subscription fees. Choose the Heart X2 if you are looking for maximum value and long battery life. And choose the Gabit Smart Ring if you're just getting started with wearable health technology. If this comparison helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which smart ring you would choose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.